So it's back to school season, and today we'll be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. And today it wasn't actually my first day of school. My first day was actually on September 5th pa. And today I was hoping a makeup tutorial for my second year of college. So I'm in second year of college already, and I don't know if this is going to be my everyday look, because of course my class starts at 1 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I have dough classes on every Friday. I already have a schedule and I'm not happy about it, but every Saturday I have 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. classes, which is kind of weird, and my weekend was actually like around 12 to 4 p.m., which is so weird. I wanted to change the schedule, but yeah, I'm doing a makeup look. So this is like an inspired, like a baddie look, but if I have time, this is gonna be my makeup. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I already brushed my brows. I just use a soap brow. I prefer to use soap brows to school because I want to be like not that very bougie for my brow look, but my brows are really thick at the moment. But yeah, I'm using my Caroline from the Best Brow Liner, which is from Caroline. It's a Philippine brand, and my brows are already thick, so I don't need that much product. I'm just going to put like a small bits of these things. It's like a brow stick. It's in color brown. But yeah, I'm just going to pat it in here. I always use the Anastasia dip brow, but as of the moment in school, I don't want to use it. I don't know, but when I'm in my mood, I'm just going to use it. But right now, I'm using this one. That wasn't that very thick makeup look, but yeah, it's back to school. After I put some of the brow sticks, look at that. I just brush it off that quick. I'm not doing any like glam makeup, but for foundation I would probably use like not all, but I'm using, I don't know what kind of brand, because I always use this brand. It's the Pop Culture one, Pop Studio one from Sarah Geronimo, but I don't have that enough now. So I have the Caroline Brighten Stick, and I have the Aberbelena All Day Liquid Foundation. I already tried the 4 foundations, and these are like the colors. It wasn't matched, but this is actually from the Caroline stick. This is from Aberbelena, and this is the from Pop Culture in the shade light, and this is like the dark color, which is the more color my skin tone. So I'm using this the dark one. I'm using it first onto my brows to shape my brows. I'm using this brush. This is my favorite brush for my brows. It was from the Caroline Aberbelena. So I started wearing makeup when I was like 10th grade. In 9th grade, I only used like lip tints and powders and stuff, and mascara. That's all it. But when I started 7th grade, of course makeup wasn't allowed in that time on my grading system. But right now, I don't know if makeup is already allowed in my course, because it's tourism, and yeah, I need to be presentable all the time on school. So yeah, then I will be using the Chris brow liner thing. Also, it's a mascara and brow mascara and the brow stick. But yeah, using this just for the brows. So, basically, I'm a transferee for my new school at the moment. My brand is STI Caloocan, and right now it's STI Balagtas. And yeah, as a new student, I don't know if I can do it, especially yeah, new students and stuff. So yeah, but anyways, I'm using the Caroline strobe stick, like the blur stick one, as my primer because I have like a lot of breakouts already. I don't know why I break out like on 19. I'm not fun, like seriously, like I break out like very late. And I was just blending the concealer under my brows, so I'll be right back. So I just blended out all of my foundations onto my brow part. So I'm using again that concealer or foundation stick actually, and just putting onto the things. I have pimples, but I don't want like full coverage of foundation onto my face because I don't want to be cakey enough. So yeah, just putting onto my red spots to cover up some ends. I'm just going to blend it in using my I can't believe I'm in second year already. That's so fast. When COVID starts, I'm only 12th grade. Oh no, I mean 11th grade. I'm coming 12th grade, and right now I am in second year college, and not fun. I was actually good at, not really good, but I love doing makeups a lot, like back in 2020 when school wasn't starting yet. But I have that time, a lot of time doing makeup, like very creative makeups, but right now I don't know what happened to me. I don't know what happened to like the things or techniques for doing makeup. But yeah. And I'm using the shade Light as my concealer just to brighten up a little bit under my eyes because I don't want to be cold-blooded. Tama ba sinabi ko? Cold-blooded. Ayan, I just put it like that. So at the moment, I don't know who are my classmates still because there's a GC or a page in Facebook that it wasn't still uploading my posts because I am new and I don't know kung sino pa ang tagabalagtas to ask someone. I think I'm more uncomfortable asking some students there na mga 3rd year, 4th year na kasi sila may alam na sa school. For baking naman, for baking powders. Ang dami kong powder guys, like I have Lichido, I have Minimeli, I have like Focalier, but all of them are empty na. I need to buy a new Lichido before school starts, but I think I should buy it. And this is the loose powder from Minimeli. I think I'm gonna use this one right now. In the shade, it doesn't come with any shade, but I think it's in number 2. Pwede siya yung sobrang light. And that's a lot. Then I'm using my big fluffy brush and just onto my neck. Okay, now for bronzer, I don't have any bronzer at the moment, but I'm using the from the Define Sculpt face palette from Avon, and I'm using like this shade. My favorite one is like a bronzer kind of thing, but just bronze it up just a little bit. I'm using one this to contour my nose. Oh, not that. Just to contour my little nose a little bit. Because my nose is that cute. I'm using the blush from Pink Flash instead. Yeah, just like a blush, my favorite blush. For my eyeliner, I love using eyeliner a lot, so I'm using the Pink Flash one. This is the waterproof easy eyeliner. So no, my eyeliner is very like not good at the moment, but anyways, but yeah, I love like putting eyeliner, especially it's my childhood dream to wear a eyeliner wing. Because in 7th grade I love Ariana Grande's wing liner as a lot, but right now I'm doing it. I don't know if this is appropriate for school, but yeah, I'm using it. Let's put some mascara first. So for the mascara, I'm using my Pro Power Comb mascara from Everblana. For like my back to school makeup in my on my first YouTube channel. I will put the clip. Yep, not good. But yeah, it's been years already since I last did that, and yeah. All these, I don't know what number is this, I forgot, but I also bought more, which is like more like not this overpowering one. I bought like 4 regular ones. So like the regular falsies, not like this power looking, but today we're gonna use this one just for today. I'm not going to school. It's gonna put, so it's like a baddie back to school look. So yeah, new title for that. My phone keeps off thing because I'm full memory, but yeah, I'm using my Pink Flash blush. Right now I'm using it for my blush. Yeah, just dab it all in because this one doesn't have any color that much, but yeah, I'm just using it because I love this blush so much. It doesn't have that color to it, but I think it's pretty cute, and in real life, because it's like a lot of like light pink, I don't like to wear like heavy pink. But then for highlighter, I'm using my Glow Out highlighter from Everblana, which I'm loving so much. Until now I have a lot of it. I bought this last year. Until now I have a lot because I don't really, well, I'm actually at home, so I don't go anywhere. But my favorite highlighter, it's like a gold. Last time I used the bronze one, but I think it wasn't good onto my skin. I'm gonna put some falsies right now, so it's actually in here. Let's just put some glue on. Yeah, I use a black glue. As you can see, the falsies are very, very powerful. If I wear this at school, I'll be dead. But I once wear this at school when I'm just going to pay my tuition. But like for like everyday school, I'm not sure if this is going to be allowed. So I just put my falsies, and it looks like a brand stuff. But yeah, for the lips, I have like 3 options. Yeah, at the moment I'm using my Lip Define lipstick, and it's like this. I have a lot of shades. Yeah, it's like a little bit of lip gloss and stuff. But and then I'm using my makeup setting spray, Lock That setting spray from Everblana. So final look, and I'll be right back for the final look. I always do straighten my hair back in high school and senior high school, but yeah, I'm using my favorite from Aeropostale, the Berry Sorbet perfume. I love it so much. But I really like this makeup look when I'm back in high school, and it's like, okay, I will totally wear this because of course been years since I became in high school, and I've been gaining weight, unless back in high school I'm still very skinny, and right now I can go back. Like seriously, if I went back to high school and looking like this, like, but yeah, I have this necklace. This is Baby Girl. I have like a lot of like statement necklaces. I have like the Angel one, I have the 1003, and I have the Pisces one, but we're using the Baby Girl right now, and then using my hoop earrings. Oh my god, I'm such like a baddie in this picture. And this look, I love it. Oh my god. And yeah, this is like the jacket, the university jacket, which I love. I never wear like university jackets in my whole entire life. Wearing to school, girl, I'm going to wear this. Like, I have these jeans. It's actually for my mom's, but I have like jeans already, and this tank top. I know in other countries they use tank tops, they allow, but if this is my my makeup look on school, I don't know. It looks so very different back in high school. Of course, it's high school. I'm second year already. But oh my god. But yeah, guys. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this is helpful for you guys. I can't believe I can wear this right now at my age, because of course teen years I cannot wear this like 14 or 15 or 16, and right now I'm 19. I still don't know if this is going to be allowed in my school, but of course it wasn't allowed because of course the policies are very powerful. It wasn't allowed on school, but I just bought like the regular ones. But if this is a high school girl, I'm going to wear this like for real. But yeah, in high school in the Philippines wasn't allowed to wear like this, so yeah, if I don't know, in high school or senior high school in other country. But yeah, I think comment down below guys if this is also like really allowed on other countries like in America or something, because I really don't know. But I see there's a lot of TikToks and Facebook, and yeah. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what video I should do next. Update, I'm going to do a vlog of my first day of school on 5th, so stay tuned for that video, because it's another weeks to go. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification bell to notify you every time I post a new video. So yeah, bye.
Si por mí te lo pongo, de septiembre hasta agosto. A mis rincones, lo que digan tu amiga, ya yo me enteré. Se nota cuando me ve, ahí donde no has llegado, sabes.